Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So how you all guys, how your festival seasons look like? Please comment in the below. So today my majorly focus on listening practices which I'm going to do in these videos. So I'm checking out my previous video which I uploaded last week. So on that I'll show you how I'm practicing every day for English speaking and what are the mistakes which I've done in my videos. So stay with me till the end of this video. You will find a lot of helpful tips which you can use in speaking in front of YouTube as well. So just hold a second. I'm searching my channel. So this is how you need to first build a unique keyword for your channel so that you can easily check out by that only. So these are my unique words which I can find out very easily. So I've been practicing on English language and spoken majorly on spoken past 3 years, and I've found out like multiple things which can help you as well. So basically, my main focus is on like doing practice every day because that is how like our brain works. Like what is more important for us comparison to other things. So you need to make a priority that you need to speak every day and you need to improve yourself. So that is how your brain works. If your brain accept that you are English speaker, so you will definitely are going to be a English learner or become a something. Basically it is like something kind of whatever you believe, so you are able to achieve that as well. You basically you need to believe in yourself only, just that is what required. So I'll show you this video which I uploaded last 2 years back, and you will find out I was how I was speaking at that moment and how I am today. So just I'm starting this video.
I which is about like why I waste of describing an activity that that I think waste of time. So in my opinion, like I in childhood I do multiple kind of waste of time activity that I think in like this time like before before that when uh, I have leisure time. I do search multiple kind of stuff in in social media that I think it is a kind of waste of time and it is not worth of it. And basically, I just scrolling down on Facebook and searching like people that I know, and like I spend like around 2 to 3 hours in a day to doing this. Like I think it is like time consuming and like if rather than if I search like search for learning skills, then it would be better for me. And and the other thing is that I also waste time like in in like people who are not understanding me, and just I'm trying to convince them that I'm right, and like whatever the topic is. And I think that is not important for someone, that if you believe in your thing, that it's exception is the thing that he didn't like that. That's all for today.
So have you found this video helpful? So you can see myself like last past 2 years I've been consistent
42 lakhs per
on
annum.
speaking, but yeah, that is the belief which helps me to work harder and able to like be a consistent uploader in my YouTube channel, because you don't need to basically convince someone to that I am because of him you can able to speak. It's by your inner space. If you believe in your words and your self, so you are able to work on yourself rather than just asking someone's favor, because that is not necessary. What is necessary in your life is, are you confident in yourself? So that is how the improvement going to be. So this is basically a listening thing for me, because I've been uploading videos and don't able to basically listen myself properly, because the listening is also a big part while speaking, because it helps our subconscious mind to get the words which is required and the content. Basically the second part is content, like how much good you are speaking while having a lot of variety of vocabulary. So today that is it, and I want to complete this video for today now. And so upcoming days I'll show you multiple kind of videos like that. And if you want to speak fluently, so you can also watch my previous videos, and you want to build a confidence, so you can see my videos where I've been uploading the video without thinking of anything, so you can found very helpful tips from my end. So in this video, that is it. Hope you guys like this video. Bye bye, have a good day.